Welcome to the 7th lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Specification Level 2. This lesson focuses on the method of making puffed sleeves. We are now learning the effect of using narrowing stitches to create puffed sleeves. First, add relevant nodes to form the shape of the garment. Then set the appropriate dimensions and adjust the relevant stitch counts. You can first set the stitch reduction steps and then do the gathering setup. When gathering, choose Narrow Evenly. Then click on the 3 dots on the right for more detail setup. You can decide how many stitches to leave in the middle, and then narrow by 1 stitch each time. Repeat the previous steps to set the method of gathering. This is the knit spec using gathering to create puffed sleeves. The challenge lies in setting a reasonable needle reduction steps and method to make the gathering look more attractive. Finally, we can export to SmartGraph for examination. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.